Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve a very simple problem. Given problem is 7 power x cube is equal to x power x square. It seems to be very complicated problem, but it's very simple. We have to find the value of x. Seven power x cube is equal to 8 power x square. Taking power on both sides, 8 power x square, we will taking power on both sides, 1 over x square. Here x square is lesser power, so we will take power 1 over x square on both sides. Here we will apply a power rule. If very common power rule, if a power m whole power n, then we can write a power m into n is equal to a power n whole power n. It can be written as 7 power x cube over x square and 8 raised to the power x square over x square. Here these are cancelled and x 7 power x cube dividing by x square will be equal to x is equal to 8. Now taking log on both sides, 7 power x is equal to log of 8. Now apply this log rule. If log of a power m, then we can write m into log of a. X into log of 7 is equal to log of 8, and x will be equal to log of 8 over log of 7. This is the solution of our given problem. Like my video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.